Hey, I want to talk to you today about these super cute gingerbread cookie cutters. Now, they come in a set of 3. So you have a big one, a medium, and a little one. And they are lined, they're metal, and they're lined so when you go to press your hand down, it comes out and you're not injuring yourself. Now, these are a perfect cookie cutter for young kids when they're learning how to bake because of the safety issue of it lined. So let me show you just how they work. So it's just really simple. You're just going to maybe put a little flour, and flour doesn't really stick on there. So you're just going to take your cookie cutter and you're just going to put it on your dough and press it down. And then that way, I don't think, yep, that'll fit right there. So then you can push that one there. And now, so now you can have 3 gingerbread men, and then you just, and now you have a perfect cookie, a perfect little gingerbread man to move to your cookie tray and get him baked off. These cookie cutters are a great way to introduce baking to someone that's young in your life, whether it's a grandchild. I make cookies with my granddaughters, or your young children. Always look for that safety feature if you're looking for a cookie that you're going to be working with your grandchildren. And that's just my opinion.